Hi, my name is Miles, and if you were searching for survival mindset, then you've come to the right place. And I'll explain that in just a few minutes. First, consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm always releasing videos on survival tips and tricks, and it's called Survival Segments. Also, at any time during this video, you can click on the bottom link and get my free 4-day video series on survival tips and tricks. Let's get right to the content. When you're talking about survival mindset, what you're talking about is a person who is always ready for anything that comes along. And you can start to do this, start to develop your survival mindset before you go outside, before you go out into the outdoors. Because if you wait until you go in the outdoors and then you're trying to develop your survival mindset, I don't think that you're going to be ready, because the survival mindset comes way before you ever go outside or go outdoors into the wild. And here's how it works. What you want to do is, in a survival mindset, you want to make sure that you're mindful of where you're at. And the first thing you want to do in a survival situation is to remain calm. Okay? And once you remain calm, you can start to assess what's going on around you, and you can start to see the opportunities that are around you instead of freezing and being in fear of what's around you. You need to stop and be calm and start to assess what's going on. And you can start to do that today, and that's what I'm here to talk to you about right now. Let's say that you are inside your house and you can look for survival situations where you can practice survival mindset. Here's what you do. Let's say you spill a cup of coffee, When you spill a cup of coffee, most of the time, people just freeze, or you or I just freeze, okay? You kind of get my drift? And instead, if you're in a survival mindset, what you would do is you would stop and you would accept where you're at, be mindful of where you're at and what just happened, and instead of freezing, you would immediately look for the opportunities, like where are the paper towels, what to do, is anybody hurt? You know what I mean? You do this really quickly in a survival situation, so you really need to train yourself to do this as a routine or something that you default to. Like if something bad happens, the first thing you want to do is you just want to remain calm. Okay? The first thing, just calm down and stop what you're doing. Or sometimes if you're in a survival situation, you don't have time to stop. But if you're calm, you can act fast, but in a calm way. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it makes sense. Anyway, lo and behold, as I was saying, so before you go out into any outdoor survival situation, make sure that you start to practice now these tense situations, remaining calm. And what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is you want to assess the situation that you have and accept the fact of what the situation is, okay? Then you develop a plan, number 2, of what you want to do, and then you want to act on that plan immediately. And then what you want to do is look at the outcome, reassess, and then do the whole circle again, the whole cycle again. You make a plan, execute the plan, reassess what's happening, and then make another plan. And this is what you would do in a survival situation, because you want to do little things incrementally. Don't think about everything as one big windfall of emergency. You want to slow everything down. That's why you want to remain calm. And that's being in a survival mindset. You can practice that today. So if you like this video, I would appreciate any comments down below, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember that if you'd like my 4-day video course on survival tips and tricks, feel free to check on, to click on the link below. It's up to you. No pressure. Anyway, thanks for listening, and have a good day.